Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your face is slowly losing its sharp, youthful edge, even though your basic grooming routine hasn't changed? Most men quietly accept this gradual decline in their appearance. The reality, however, is that your daily routines are quietly carving away at your facial aesthetics without you ever realizing it. In this comprehensive guide, we are going to expose the 6 hidden habits that are sabotaging your facial attractiveness. Let us dive right into the video. Habit number 1 is the subconscious skin sabotage. Throughout your waking hours, your hands act as a relentless magnet for microscopic debris, oils, and environmental pollutants. Think about the sheer volume of objects you interact with on a daily basis: gym equipment, door handles, public transportation rails, and your keyboard. Then, you stroke your chin, rub your tired eyes, or scratch an itch on your cheek. The immediate results are chronic acne flare-ups, deep blackheads, and an uneven, highly textured skin tone. To eliminate this problem, you need to stop touching your face every single time. Moving on to habit number 2, unilateral mastication. This is the destructive habit of asymmetrical chewing, which means breaking down your food exclusively on one side of your mouth. Your jaw is controlled by the masseter muscle, which happens to be the strongest muscle in the human body. If you exclusively chew your food or gum on your right side, the right masseter muscle will undergo significant hypertrophy. Meanwhile, the neglected left side begins to atrophy, losing its firmness and structural definition. To correct this geometrical imbalance, the next time you eat, pay close attention to where your tongue naturally pushes the food inside your mouth. You must consciously force your tongue to distribute the food evenly. Habit number 3, the chronic indoor confinement. I am talking about the absolute lack of direct daily exposure to natural sunlight. When you hide from the sun, your skin naturally becomes pale, translucent, and incredibly dull. Furthermore, sunlight exposure is the primary biological trigger for synthesizing vitamin D. A severe lack of vitamin D directly correlates to plummeting testosterone levels, which strips away your masculine vitality. Aim for exactly 15 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight exposure every single morning. This brings us to the 4th deeply destructive habit, the sleep debt disfigurement. Sleep is not just a period of unconsciousness. It is a highly active biological repair phase for your cellular structure. When you consistently cut your sleep short to stay up gaming, scrolling, or working, you are forcefully interrupting this critical regeneration cycle. The physical signs of this neglect manifest on your face almost immediately. Without sufficient rest, your blood vessels dilate, creating those dark, bruised-looking shadows underneath your lower eyelids. You must start treating your sleep schedule with the exact same discipline as your fitness or diet. You absolutely must aim for a non-negotiable window of 7 to 8 hours of high-quality, uninterrupted sleep every single night. Habit number 5, the dehydration loop. Let us be completely clear, a single morning cup of coffee is perfectly fine and can even offer metabolic benefits. The aesthetic danger begins when you use caffeine as a crutch, consuming 3-4 cups just to drag yourself through the afternoon. Caffeine is a powerful diuretic, which means it forcefully commands your kidneys to flush water out of your system at a rapid pace. When your body enters a state of chronic dehydration, your skin is the absolute first organ to suffer the consequences. You must forcefully cap your caffeine intake at an absolute maximum of 2 servings per day, consumed only before noon. Habit number 6, the cortisol curse. Stress is not just an invisible feeling in your mind. When you are constantly worried, overworked, or overwhelmed, your body remains flooded with the stress hormone known as cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels do profoundly ugly things to your physical appearance almost simultaneously. Do intense cardiovascular exercise, heavy resistance training, or even aggressive combat sports are incredible tools for burning off excess cortisol. By actively managing your mental state, you literally prevent your skin from aging prematurely and stop your face from storing stress-induced fat. These 6 hidden habits are the true deciding factors that makes a huge impact on how you look. Remember, your physical appearance is not a static destiny handed down to you. It is a dynamic reflection of your daily standards.